Here we are, out on the trails and at the stove dump with a joint of Rawson, checking out the scenery. Looks like the boys made a new little spot here. It's pretty freaking cool. But I'm not sure if you guys can tell here, but for Labrador we really don't have much snow. I would say maybe a quarter of what we normally got. I shouldn't be able to drive up here on the side-by-side. But it's freaking tripping. We got some fox tracks up there that way, and I'm gonna see if we can see any bunny or ptarmigan on the go. Oh, that looks like human. Get up on top of this mound here and up down over the lake. I'm not sure if you can hear the sound of the music in the background, but it does sound awesome. And way back over there is where I was. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little trip here. And keep your joints lit, your bowls full, and your head held high. Till next time. Bye for now.